Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Desi Ghee right in your own kitchen. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 to 2 pounds of high-quality, unsalted butter, ideally organic, and a sturdy, heavy-bottomed pot. This ensures even heat distribution and prevents the butter from burning. Making ghee at home is a rewarding process, yielding a rich, aromatic product far superior to store-bought versions. Let's get started on this simple culinary journey. Once your butter is in the pot, melt it slowly over medium-low heat until it's completely liquid. Then, reduce the heat to a very low setting, allowing it to gently simmer. You'll notice a layer of foam forming on the surface. This is normal and will eventually disappear. Resist the urge to stir it in. Continue this gentle simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. The key is patience, letting the butter transform slowly and steadily. As the butter simmers, you'll observe the milk solids turning a beautiful golden brown and settling at the bottom of the pot. The liquid above will become perfectly clear and a rich golden color, emitting a wonderful, nutty fragrance. This indicates your ghee is ready. Carefully remove the pot from the heat. Using a fine mesh sieve lined with a few layers of cheesecloth, slowly pour the hot ghee into a clean, heat-proof jar. Be sure to leave the brown solids behind. Once your golden ghee has been strained, let it cool completely in the jar before sealing it with a lid. Store your homemade ghee in an airtight container at room temperature, away from direct sunlight. It will solidify into a creamy, granular texture and can remain fresh for several months, even up to 6 months, without needing refrigeration. Enjoy your versatile, aromatic ghee in all your cooking, from sautéing vegetables to enhancing your favorite baked goods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.